What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial inside of Premiere Pro. Today we're going to learn how to mute all tracks, or silence all tracks, or hide all tracks inside of Premiere Pro. It's a very easy thing to do if you know how to do it. If you don't, there's a shortcut for it. This is a beginner tutorial, as always, not an expert tutorial. So let's get started. So normally inside of Premiere Pro, let's say like you have a bunch of video tracks, audio tracks, and you want to like mute a couple of them. You could just go down like this and just like turn them off inside of your timeline. Little icon, mute icon, and there's silence, right? But what if I, for whatever reason, need to like hide all the videos at once because I just want to listen to the audio. My computer's being slow or something, and I don't want to play back a huge timeline like a movie or a short film that has like a bajillion layers. Super simple. Just hold Shift on your keyboard and then click. Hides everything. Shift on your keyboard and then click. Hides everything. That is a really quick and easy shortcut to do it. Same thing for this. Same thing for clicking around other places. You can lock all your tracks, lock all your audio tracks. You can solo all your audio tracks. And it makes it super simple. And that's how you do it. This is a very short tutorial. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan that QR code on the screen. Helps me out a ton.